Data at a company is the most foundational need. As an aider and abetter of operational teams at the company, if you don't have a fundamental understanding of data at your company, then you're not able to do your job effectively.
If you want to have a strategic seat at the table, like at the end of the day, product and engineering are the straws that stir the drink. And in my experience, PMs especially have a lot of respect for you if you have the ability to dive into SQL and really understand what's going on.
I mean, this is a hot take maybe, but I don't think you'll ever really understand like the truth behind your business without diving into the data. And I guess accounting is the language of business, but SQL is the way that you read the book faster, I guess. So it is just the way that you can really deeply understand what's happening in a high quality data intensive business.
I think just speed to insight, right? It's if you are always having to go ask an analyst, hey, can you pull a report for me? It means you have to think of like all 4 hypotheses you want to test at one time. It's way, way easier if you can just pull up your database and, run 4 queries and say, show me this data, show me that data, learn by inspection. I think just speeds up how quickly you're able to understand more about what's happening with product usage or ARR or anything in your sort of prod database.